So I'm just about to run Quincy's res here. It's the Stephen Adams canvas. I'm just going live now, as you can see. Pretty much 130. Got the list here. All 20 of yous copied from up here. I just deleted out those little bits, we don't need it. So here we go for the dice roll. We're going 9 times. 10. 6, 10. 10 times, about 130. Good luck, everyone. That's number 1. That's 2. That's 3. 4. 5. That's 6. So remember, guys, going 10 times. That's 6. 7. 8. 9. So remember, guys, the person on top now is the winner. As you can see, the still just after 130. Definitely a 10 on the dice.
What time is it now?
One final look at that masterpiece from Quincy. Good luck, guys. And we have a winner. Spot number 1 is Lee. Shot, guys. Cheers.